These salmon patties pack all of the health benefits of salmon in a patty that you can enjoy with your favorite burger toppings and condiments. Start with a cutting board and a knife. Place your salmon on your cutting board and then begin cutting your salmon into cubes. The size doesn't really matter since we'll be processing it in the food processor later. Once you're done cutting, grab your food processor jar where we'll add the rest of our ingredients in. Add your 1 pound of cubed salmon into the food processor. Crack open and add 2 eggs. Add half a cup of whole rolled oats. You can use panko breadcrumbs or pre-blended oat flour instead. Add 3.5 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. For our seasonings, we're using 1 teaspoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon onion powder, half a teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And finally, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Place the lid on your food processor, power it on, and then process your mixture until it has a paste-like consistency. This should only take about a minute or so. Take out a sheet of parchment paper or plate to place your salmon patties on. I'm making 4 salmon patties with this recipe. So take 1/4 of your mixture and then form it into the shape of a patty. Repeat this process until you're out of your mixture. If your patties are a bit too wet or having trouble staying together, you can chill them in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes to help them firm up. I didn't have to do this for this recipe. Once you're done forming your patties, head over to your stove. Turn your burner on medium-high heat and place a skillet on top of it. Give it a light spray of oil. Add your salmon patty onto the pan and then let it cook with a lid on for about 5 to 7 minutes. After about 5 to 7 minutes, flip it over and then let it finish cooking for about another 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's done, remove it from the pan and finish cooking your remaining patties. I'm making a burger with my patties and I've already got my hamburger bun here. For this burger, I'm keeping it simple and adding a bit of mayo on the buns, adding my salmon patty, some onion, tomato, and lettuce. Then you're set to enjoy your salmon patties. If you want to make more patties for a larger crowd or to meal prep throughout the week, you can double or triple the ingredient amounts in this recipe. Store these in the fridge for up to 4 days in an airtight container. If you're meal prepping burgers, it's best to prepare the burger the day of so your bun doesn't get too soggy. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.